Hi, this is Poing. Today is a nice quiet Saturday and I have a little bit of time to draw, and I thought maybe it could be nice just to unpack this little watercolor gift set. It's from my friend. She got it in, I don't know, somewhere in Canada. So it's a nice little gift. I thought I can unpack it and try it out and show you how it looks like. From a little family business, indigenous business, and yeah, I don't know, it just sounds really beautiful because made with local mountain island wild crafted tree sap. I guess it's something quite natural, and let's unpack it. Okay, so it's so cute. It looks like this. It has this watercolor brush. It's so nice that this is so small and you can like put it in like this, and it's so convenient and portable. And then it looks like this. It has this little woodcraft stand. This one is the wet grizzly. It's a little bit like a golden, a little bit brownish color. And the other one is, it looks quite like a matte dark green. And the other one, it looks more like a brick muddy yellow. Let's try it out. So this is the number 4 truffle brush included in the set. When I finally get to hold it and start using it, I realize it's slightly heavier than what I'm used to. But actually it feels quite nice to have a little bit of weight. Feels a little bit more in control for me. I'm going to start with the one on the left, called Harvest Wheat. Looking at the color, it looks a bit like a type of dark yellow mixed in with a bit of brown. But when I do mix with water and start painting on paper, it's actually not as dark as it looks like. It's a bit in between amber and mustard yellow. And the second one, the green one, is called Salish Sea. To me, it feels quite cold, like a type of pine green or forest green. I can imagine using it for more wintry or even Nordic kind of landscape and forest. It also reminds me of the Northern Lights. And the last one is called Wet Grizzly. It's a type of light gray, blends in with a little bit purplish tone to me. It has this really beautiful golden shimmering powder. Can imagine using it for like sunshine, maybe like sun on a building or on water. I don't think I have any watercolor comes with this kind of shimmering effect, so it's quite nice to have this one. Now we have done a little bit of test. I think I have a better idea how the color actually look like. So I'm just gonna do a quick sketch maybe.